Hi, welcome to NerdVine, where wine education meets inclusivity and obviously a touch of nerdiness. I'm London, and as a wine aficionado and a burgeoning, aspiring WSET certified, sommelier certified, I have to say aspiring because I still have to take my exams, and genuine nerd, I am here to grow a network of wine lovers. And if you are anything like me, a lot of the people I've met, you might feel a little intimidated by the world of wine. Maybe it's full of snobbery and exclusivity, and people are speaking some language that you don't speak. We are going to change that. No matter who you are or what you know, wine is for everyone. I firmly believe that. So our mission, right, again, you're on this mission with me, is super simple. We're going to create a welcoming space where wine enthusiasts, curious beginners, whomever can come together to explore, learn, and geek out about all things wine. So whether you identify as a nerd, a wine lover, both, welcome. This is a safe space for you. The main journey on which we're embarking is to create this safe space, but we'll take a lot of side quests. That's a nerd joke for all of you who got it. Great. We'll travel to various regions to talk about how climate can totally change the expression of a grape. We will don our lab coats. You can get a real one. I'm probably going to get a metaphorical one. Discuss the allowed and accepted alterations that can happen to make the wine just right according to the people who are making the wine. We'll dig up some hidden gems, and we'll even talk about some super fascinating stories behind some of the bottles that we try. What gear might you need? Well, the only thing I really recommend is a notebook or an app or some way to take notes on all of the wines that you try with me. You don't always have to obviously try the same wines I'm trying. Whatever wines you're trying is great. By figuring out what you do or don't like right now, you can confidently select wine you haven't tried, and we can also work together if you want to expand your palate, if you don't want to expand your palate, if you just want a bigger wine selection. Whatever your goals, we're in this journey together, and the notebook will definitely help. I am super passionate about wine. I'm also equally passionate about creating this inclusive community where questions are encouraged, judgments are left at the door, and wine education is just a joyful experience. So, grab a glass, subscribe to the channel, and join me on this wine adventure.